Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Filmmaking with Sid. In today's video, we are going to review BoAt Smart Active Ring. This is basically a sensational announcement by BoAt and the product itself after the launch, because smart rings are known as a product of riches. Okay, because Ultrahuman, which made the buzz, is around 29, 27, 30,000 approximately. Then recently Samsung made the announcement they are at the same price as well. Realme, which I was hoping can come down at a very lower cost, because we know Realme in India, they sell at very cheap prices their phones. They are also, if you calculate the dollars, they are somewhere around 22, 27,000. And then comes the lower end, which is the lowest actually is BoAt, the first generation ring, which was at 9,000. Again, I couldn't afford that, because it's not about money if you have it or not. It's just you don't feel it practical to spend that much of money. I'm one of those guys, and it's obviously an experimental product. It's like buying your first smartwatch. So I'm sure you wouldn't have spent 50,000-60,000 on a smartwatch that time, right? And I really wanted to explore a smart ring, but not want to pay a lot. But I know the value of smart ring. So let's get started with the review. We'll divide this review into certain pieces. We'll start with unboxing, then hands-on impression, then what's good about it and what's bad about it. And then at the end, I'll share my thoughts if you should buy it or not. So let's get started. So the unboxing would be very simple. It's a box here and we're gonna unbox it. What you have inside the box is straight off BoAt case. I'm very happy that this comes in a charging case. The first generation and a lot of current existing smart rings don't come with smart cases. So you have to charge them, you have to carry your charger, and it's not a good solution, right? I mean, you don't really want to travel with a lot of wires and everything. And also, it doesn't really improve your battery. It's around 7 to 8 days. So charging case, it's actually a good idea. Now what inside this paper cardboard is, you have this small USB cable, which is USB to Type-C. And then you have two paper bundles, which is one explaining how to use the warranty, how to claim the warranty, and the second one tells you more about the product in detail. Actually, I was shocked when I was reading this. One of the very important thing, which will come in what's bad about the product, I'll tell you. Just stick with me, okay? So let's have a bits on hands-on experience. Now, how does it feel? The case is okay. It's not that okay. It's a little cheaper quality. I mean, I guess it's basically what I paid for. Now, does the ring stick to it? Yeah, the ring stays well on the case. It's magnetic connected. So whenever you're keeping inside the charging case, you have to ensure that the charging point and whatever the power supply where it goes, it has to stick with each other. Okay, and you have to ensure that you are always removing it properly, because there's a small pin which charges this. If it breaks, it's gone. Also with the charging case, guys, when I was using this ring for better understanding, I realized rings are still better. I mean, you can use it for a long time. The charging case is so cheap that this may just give up in few months. So it's like one of those days where you have the ring, but you don't have the charging case, and it's gone. You won't even find a charging case in the market, and this ring is for no reason other than a physical product, that's all. So make sure you're using it very nicely. Okay, now how does it feel when you wear it? So luckily, I ordered actually 9, 10, 11, 12, all 4 sizes. And this is the first one that arrived. This was actually ordered directly on the BoAt website, and rest were ordered on Flipkart. Flipkart is still not here. It's just showing me it will arrive on 30th, and the shipping has not yet started. So I don't have much hopes on it, but once it comes, we'll see. Now the 9 actually works for me, luckily. Tiny hands. This goes here. And also for others who are checking if any size that fits here, will it fit here? Yeah, it does. It does perfectly. For me, the one that I feel comfortable, oh God, is this finger. I don't know what it called. You can see basically it's on my left hand side. Okay, so this works for me. I did a little bit of research on where to wear, and people are, I mean, they're just throwing out ideas, and basically what I got to know at the end of a lot of articles is you can wear wherever you want. Okay, just make sure that it's very well gripped with your ring. Okay, you have enough skin under the ring. There's no gaps, because all the sensor will work, but the heart rate sensor will give up if it's not really gripped. Okay, now impression wise, it's glossy. I was hoping not to be glossy. I mean, I know when I ordered it, but I was really hoping after so many rings coming out in market and what Ultrahuman did with some of their products, I think matte finish is still the right option for ring. This glossiness, I don't want this ring to be highlighted when I'm wearing it outside. So my impressions, it's all fingerprint impressions on the ring. It's so glossy, it's so oily, it's so smooth, that sometimes I feel like maybe the matte option would have been great, but we don't have any matte options. You have this black, silver and gold, all are similar to this texture. It's glossy, it's very shiny, it's very polished. No matte option in this, so you have to stick with this. We have only these options in this segment, and looks great according to me. Now, what I liked about this product, okay, one, we have a charging case over here, which basically allows you to charge this once and have it for 30 days. Okay, they claim it 30 days. I will again make a video after 30 days with lot of details. Like, does it really work, first of all? Okay, because it's a fitness tracker at the end of the day. So does it really do a great job at measurements? And tracking, obviously. So I'll make sure of making that video. But now they claim it's a 30 days, and I was using this watch for like 4 hours, 5 hours after it landed, after I was wearing, and the ring was always showing 99% on the app. So that's good thing. I just hope the battery backup is really good. At least if it stays 7 days or 5 days, I'm fine with it. I can find some time to charge with the case, and then meanwhile I can charge once in a while the case itself. Now, what's the second thing I like about the product? It's super cheap. I mean, even if it doesn't work over some time, it's okay. It's an experience. Okay, you may just want to go back with your smartwatch. I'm just wearing this because I wanted to go back to the analog watches. I just wanted to see how does it feel. So analog watch is back thanks to the SmartRing. Now, what's the third thing I like about this product? So the third thing I liked about this product is the official BoAt app. The app name is BoAt Crest. I was not really hoping BoAt would do such a great job at developing an app for smartwatches and smart rings. When I saw the interface and everything, I was like, wow, BoAt has come a long way, because I was not really tracking BoAt. I was using some better brands than BoAt, and I always used to hate BoAt for making in China and then claiming they make in India. Though they make some of the technology and some of the products in India, but not everything. So I really didn't had much touch with the BoAt, but looking at the app, they have come a long way. The app has all the integration with your Apple fitness app, the Apple Health, and for Google users, you have the Strava, where you can basically connect. I don't see on my iPhone app any connections to Google Health, so I don't think it connects to the Google Health official app. And also, app has all the options. I mean, what else do you need a smart ring for? It's sleep tracking, heart tracking, SpO2 if COVID still matters, and steps. Okay, so all these things, they do a great job. Now let's get to the cons, the bad stuff. Okay, there are a lot of bad stuff. A lot of people may say ki, bhai, this is super cheap, what do you expect out of it? But it's better to mention, okay? I think this is one of the revolution product of BoAt. So it's better to just put a straightforward feedback. So there may be the third generation or the second generation of this product itself would come much better. Who knows? people may want to even pay 1,000, 2,000 extra for all those better improvements. So talking about the first bad thing I did not like about this product is they really do not claim anywhere that you can wear and have a bath. Okay, on the paper itself, where the manual and all the instructions, the question was, can I take a bath wearing this ring? They're like, not under high pressure, not for more than 10 minutes. You can't expose for more than 10 minutes. So I was like, then what about swimming? This has a swimming sport tracker on the ring itself, which is again in the app. If you can't swim with this, if you can't have a bath with this, what's the point of all this tracking with the swim? I'm not going to take it for swim if I can't bath with it at least. And the reason I actually liked SmartRing idea is because the watch will not work all the time, okay? I mean, the watch has a sleep tracker, but you definitely remove your watch and sleep. So no point of tracking your sleep, okay? Now, the watch has a step counter, but there are times when you're removing your watch, you still walk, right? But it doesn't count. Ring is something you might want to wear and forget, like the other rings that you wear. And that's when the two important things, which is sleep and steps, if they are just if they just measured properly, that's all you want. I mean, if a ring just claims that it has a great 30-day battery, no other features, doesn't even connect to phone, you can just check with SMS or some small algorithm where it just shows you how many steps and how much you're sleeping, I'm fine with it. Because that's what lacking in the smartwatches. But if I have to not wear this while I'm having a bath, I'm taking a small gaps, right? So this is one issue, but I think you always want to know what is that particular time you want to put this back in the case, once in 5 days or 7 days. I think this is the time. I think make a habit, if you're buying this watch, make a habit of removing this before taking a bath and then again wearing it. Otherwise, this may just give up any day. Not for the water, but definitely for the soap. And now, other thing that I don't like about the product is the case itself. Like I said, बहुत cheap है. This doesn't even stand here. This doesn't even stand by itself. So just make sure this stays with you as long this is working. Because I don't see anyone market mein, I mean, people will not sell it. And Ring are so much upgrading every time. The charging case, the charging point, till they find their own Type-C, they will keep on updating, okay? So every generation will be new. So make sure you're taking care of the case properly. Wherever you're carrying it also, just make sure you're, if you're traveling for more than 5 days, take the case. If not, then just keep the case at home, because if you lost it, again, it's a different drama. Now, the third thing which I did not like about this product is the sync of the watch with the app. It doesn't sync all the time. If you open the watch, if you open the app, it basically refreshes at that very moment and then tells you the all the refresh data. So for example, last time when you check the steps, if it was 1,000, and after 5 hours, if you're checking the app again, it will be at 1,000. It will take those 5-10 seconds to refresh. Then it will get updated to the latest tracking, like 1,500 or 1,600. So it's little less smoother in terms of how you sync with your watches. It's not that quick sync. The fourth one is the marketing of the product. Many people might have hesitated to buy this because there was no proper TVC or a decent video out by BoAt itself. Okay, they made one video which is with all the CG, with all the 3D effects and all those things. You did not get to see how the ring would look like really on the hands, a real footage shot on camera, someone wearing it. You did not really get to see that. I really appreciate companies making this great CG videos, but you really want to see, right? I mean, how the product looks like, because this is not a product where you can simply go to Chroma and have a demo of it. I mean, it's cheap. That's the only reason people just went and bought it, okay? But if they had made a video on how it feels on the hands, just a closer shot with the camera, it really helps, yeah. It really helps answer a lot of questions. So I really, that's why I thought of making the video, making a review out and put it out as early as possible. I may lack a lot of details in my review, but something should be there on the internet. I was still searching on internet. There are no decent videos about it, or maybe my mistake, I missed anything if there was. But I thought of just putting it out so that people who are still about to get this ring on 30th who have ordered through Flipkart and Amazon may take a decision before it's arrived, and they can simply cancel it because there's no return, there's a replacement. That's all about the ring. Still a great buy for 3K. Now it's actually 4K. Thank God I saved my 1,000 rupees. But I'm actually thinking of giving this away because I'm getting a size 10, size 11 and size 12, and I think 10 would be better for me. This is little tight. You saw how I was struggling. So I would take that and I would give this away. I would also give the other 2 sizes if I don't find any friends of mine taking that from me. So the simple rule is, please comment saying ki boat ring. Okay, just comment boat ring, and I will basically pick one random person, frankly just a random person, and I will try to reach out to you if possible. Please check always your messages and all those things, and then we'll get in touch and we'll try to send this to your home. There are a lot of apps to deliver, and that's all guys. That's all from my end. I'm trying to do a lot of things on this channel. That's also the desperation why I'm doing the giveaway part. So please encourage the videos if you like. Stay subscribed. If not, please subscribe. Share with your friends. Share with people who are really looking to buy this ring but have no idea and really want some video to give a nice demo virtually. And thanks for watching. Bye.